let me know of that answer. Okay.
Okay.
So there's no hurry. You can take your time, just think, but be honest, and then let me know the answer. Okay. So we are starting. Please go through
Yep.
the first question.
Uh, I'm ready.
Yes, please say that answer.
C. Light.
Okay. Second question, beta.
The A one.
Okay. NaCl.
Yes.
Okay. The third question, beta.
The second H2O.
Done. Fourth, beta.
The C1 sodium.
Fifth, beta.
The C1 carbon.
Sixth.
A.
Seven.
The B.
Condensation.
Yes.
Eighth, beta.
B.
Hydrogen.
Yes.
Question nine.
So in question number 9, I have to set the answer.
Yes. Please say the answer.
Okay.
Yes.
So in physical change, there is no new substance is formed, and the example of physical change is when ice melting into water,
Okay.
and the chemical change is when a new substance is formed, like
Mm-hmm.
when we are mixing a baking soda into water.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Anything else that you would want to add to this question?
No.
Okay. Should we move on to the next one?
Yes.
Okay. Please answer that. Read it and then answer. Yes.
Matter is a substance that matter is everything around us.
Good.
And the examples of matter are solid, liquid, and gas.
Very good. You said examples are solid, liquid.
The solid, liquid, and gas.
Yeah, good. Anything else that you would want to add to this, beta?
No.
Right. Question 11.
The atom is the smallest element in the world.
Mm-hmm. Yes, smallest element in the world.
I have to tell the subatomic particles and their charges. How matlab means two or three or more than.
Whatever idea you have. If you want to tell me of one or two, you can tell me that. If you want to tell me of the all of the subatomic particles, you can tell me that. Okay.
Uh,
That is just to assess your knowledge.
okay.
How many subatomic particles do we have in total?
I have like five. I know 5 to 6.
Okay. What are those, beta? You can name that.
Hydrogen,
Mm-hmm.
lithium,
Mm-hmm.
beryllium,
Mm-hmm.
oxygen,
Mm-hmm.
nitrogen,
Mm-hmm. Good.
carbon, calcium, sodium,
What is the symbol for sodium?
Na, I think. Chlorine,
Symbol.
Cl.
Mhm. Okay. Anything else you would want to add to this?
No.
No? Okay. Fine. Uh, so should we move on to the question 12?
Yes.
Please do. Yes, beta. Any
Could you
idea
please
related to this?
could you please explain me the question number 12, please?
Okay. It says why do solid have, first of all, it's not wave, it's have, okay, have high melting and boiling points. Okay. Is it
Okay.
clear now? Or should I
Yes, please.
explain it? Do you have any idea related to melting and the boiling points?
Uh,
Yes or no?
no. Like I know about the differences and
Differences between?
boiling and melting.
Okay, 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 no worries. So I think you would not want to answer this question, right? You can skip it if you want, no worry.
I think because of the mass and
And
Just mass, I think.
Anything else that you would want to add to any of the questions here? No?
Mm, Can you please move upward, like down
Yes.
more? Wait. Okay.
Done?
Yes, done.
Should I consider it finally done from your side?
Yes.
Fine. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Beta. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Now I would want to discuss this stretch with you. Okay, Fathima? Because the following is not a state of matter. Rightly answered, light is not a state of matter. So there are 3 states of matter, right?
Yes.
Solid, gaseous, and liquid. Very well.
Yes.
Second question, what is the chemical formula for table salt? Very rightly answered, NaCl. But can you tell me the name of this compound? How do I call this compound? What is this? NaCl means what?
NaCl.
Yes. I assume this is the symbol,
Sodium
right?
chloride.
Very good. Sodium chloride. Wonderful. That is sodium chloride. Wonderful. So that is the common salt? Yes.
What?
Just a second.
Okay.
Yes, sorry for that disturbance. So that is sodium chloride. That is the common salt, right?
Okay. Yes.
Beta, what does NaOH stand for? Can you tell me that? NaOH? Just an idea.
NaOH.
No worries. If no idea, just I'm asking about.
Sodium, oxygen, hydrogen.
No, beta, that is sodium hydroxide. Yes,
Okay.
that is sodium hydroxide. Acha, do you have any idea related to HCl? What does it mean? HCl?
Hydrogen chloride.
Okay, fine. That is basically actually it's called as hydrochloric, right?
Okay.
Yeah, no worries. Coming on to the third question. What is the chemical symbol for water? Very rightly said, H2O. Okay. Just a small question here related to this question. If I ask you what is H2O, is it a molecule? Is it an element? Is it an atom or a compound? What is it? Do you have any idea, beta? Just asking. None.
H2O.
Yeah. H2O molecule?
Like compound, I think.
Okay. So you saying H2O is a compound, right? No worries. Fatma, that's fine. I'm just trying to understand. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, H2O is a compound. Is it a molecule? Can I call H2O as a molecule?
It can be.
Okay. Do you have any idea what do we mean by molecules? What is a molecule? In simple words. No worries.
Like it is a type of like gas, I think. Or like
Okay.
we can
Okay.
say it.
See, beta, molecule is always a group of atoms. We will discuss this. No worries. No worries. Okay.
Okay.
Question 3, rightly done. Fourth one, which of the following elements is a metal? Very well done. That's the sodium. Most of the students they get confused in this, but very well done. So metal is sodium. All three of them are non-metals. Very well done. Coming on to you rightly. Oh, you also told me the symbol for sodium, right? That's Na.
Yes.
Wonderful. Fifth one. Which of the following is a non-metal? Very well done. Again, that's carbon. Very well done. What is the symbol for iron, beta? Any idea?
Iron.
Mm-hmm. No problem.
I.
Sorry. No,
I.
that's Fe. Iron is Fe.
Fe. Yeah.
Okay. Sixth question. What is the chemical formula for oxygen gas? You answered O. Okay. I just want to know, why do you think it's O? Can you explain me that, beta?
Because there is only oxygen, so that's why I choose O.
Okay. See, what happens? Oxygen gas. Had it been oxygen atom, had the question asked for oxygen atom, it would have been O. Okay. But if it says oxygen gas, okay, oxygen gas is present in the elemental form. We will discuss this, don't worry. It is present in the elemental form. And the element of oxygen is O2. Okay.
Okay.
So oxygen gas, whenever it is says, it's said it's always O2. Correct?
Okay.
Understood somewhat?
Yes.
So that is the wrong one, no worries. Question 7, what is the process of conversion of water vapor into liquid water called? Wonderfully done. That's condensation. Okay, that's condensation. Water vapor into liquid. Can you tell me what is the reverse of it if I ask you liquid change into water vapor?
Evaporation.
Is there any difference between boiling and evaporation?
Boiling and evaporation. Mm,
See, I think boiling also means, change of liquid to the gaseous state.
yeah.
And you just now told me that evaporation is the process wherein a liquid changes to the gaseous state.
Yes.
So that means both of the things are same.
Yes.
Okay. Better they are different. We'll discuss them whenever it's required. But evaporation is process of liquid changing to gaseous state,
Yes.
but the temperatures are different. Okay, it's a surface phenomenon. No worries.
Mm,
Which gas is produced when a metal reacts with an acid? Wonderfully done. That is hydrogen. Wonderful. Can you explain me? But how does this happen?
how does this?
Is this
Okay.
a chemical reaction? Can I take this as an example of a chemical reaction? It says reacts, so I think it's a chemical
Yeah,
reaction
yeah.
between a metal and an
Metal
acid.
and acid.
Wonderful. And you told me that hydrogen gas is released. What will be the formula for hydrogen gas here? H or H2?
H2.
Very good. And what else is formed here? When a metal reacts with any acid, what else is formed here?
Uh, Oxygen? No.
Hmm, salt. Okay.
Salt.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any idea? Can you give me some examples of acids?
Lemon?
Yeah, that's acidic in nature. Very good. That's acidic in nature.
Vinegar?
Vinegar is also acidic in nature. Yes. Any
Baking
any?
soda?
No, that's not.
No.
Yeah, that's more of a basic part. It is HCl an acid?
Yeah.
Is sulfuric acid? Is that an example of acid?
Yes, it's
Very good. So if I write any metal beta, let's say it is sodium, if it reacts with hydrogen chloric acid that you said, that means hydrochloric acid. Okay, its full name is hydrogen chloric acid, but it's called as hydrochloric acid. Yes. What will happen here? Na and Cl will react together to form NaCl, which is the salt. Yes. And hydrogen gas will be released. Are you able to recall something like this?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. No. Question 9, explain the differences between physical and chemical changes, providing examples of each. Very well done. In a physical change, no new substance is formed. Okay. Whereas in a chemical change, a new substance is formed. I just have one question for you in this. Is does the color change in physical change or chemical change? If the color is changing, okay, is that classified under physical change or chemical change?
The color will change in chemical change. Chemical.
Very well. Yeah, very good. Because the configuration changes. Very well done. Okay, so examples are also right. Very well. Define the term matter and provide examples of different states. Let's see what here. You told me what is matter. You told me it's all around us, right? That is not the definition of matter. Okay? Matter is something that occupies space, it has mass and volume. Okay? That is what a matter is.
Okay.
Getting it? That's absolutely right. That matter is all around us. That is absolutely right. But just from the question point of view, to define it properly, matter is anything that has weight, it occupies a space, it has weight and it has volume. Okay? Mass and volume. So that is what is matter.
Okay.
Provide examples of different states of matter. But it said that different, it did not ask what are the different states of matter. Okay? It said that different states of matter and their examples. Different states of matter are solid, liquid, and gaseous. But can you please tell me one example of a solid state?
Yes, ice,
Very good. A liquid state?
water,
Gaseous state?
uh, gas,
Hello.
gas like hydrogen.
Very good. Oxygen. It's all around us. Yes. Yeah. Well, question 11th, I need to discuss that with you in detail. Just wait on that. Question 12. Why do solid have high melting and boiling point? See, first of all, let me just clear it out to you. What is melting point and what is boiling point? Melting point is any temperature for a specific matter at which the matter changes from its liquid state to its solid state to its liquid state. Okay, that is melting point. Example for water. What is the melting point for water? Any idea?
Uh,
0 degrees Celsius. At
Zero.
0 degrees Celsius, the ice will transition to liquid water. Yes, that is the melting. Boiling point, temperature at which any matter changes from its liquid to gaseous state. Example, water will change from liquid water to gaseous water
Yes,
at 100 degrees Celsius.
100.
That means 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point for water. Wonderful. Now the question said, why do solid have high melting and boiling points? Do you have any idea related to the intermolecular spaces and the intermolecular forces between the particles of matter?
No.
Okay, so then that question is not valid for you, no worries. Okay. But your question 11. Um, Describe the structure of an atom. The question is absolutely wrong. I would want to discuss this in detail with you. So we'll start with our lecture with this. Okay.
Okay.
Any other problem in this?
No, nothing.
Otherwise, very well done. The
Thank
concepts are quite clear. Okay. But yeah, I have your book here. I would just quickly want to go through your book. So this is your book, right?
you. Yes.
I would want to start with this chapter. Is it okay with you? That is the structure of atom.
Yeah.
Is it okay with you?
Yes, yes, it's okay.
Because this is the fundamental to chemistry, so I would want to start with this chapter. Yes. So the chapter name says structure of an atom. Yes. Let's start with that question 11th only and with our chapter. Both of them are the same thing.
Okay.
What is an atom? I would want to start with that.
Atoms is the smallest element.
Okay. You also define it there. Element is not the correct word here. Element is absolutely wrong. Okay. Atom is the smallest, it was said that atom is the smallest indivisible particle in the world. Okay. It cannot be divided further. But obviously, we found out, the modern scientists found out that atom can be divided Hello, Fathima, am I audible?
Yes.
What happened, beta?
It's a network problem.
Okay, okay, no worries. Yes. So it was thought that that atom is not divisible, but obviously later on we found out that atom is divisible. It has some subatomic particles. Okay,
Okay.
atom is still the smallest particle, fundamental particle unit of matter because it is the one that exists on its own. Okay, that exists on its own. The subatomic particles cannot exist on their own. We will discuss this in detail. This is just a brief. Okay, so what is the structure of an atom? An atom, okay, is the smallest particle. Okay, not element, particle.
Okay,
Particle.
part
Atom has three subatomic particles. Subatomic means particles which are existing inside the atom. Okay,
inside that.
sub means below. So within the atom. Okay, so
Okay.
what is it? Three particles, beta. Electrons,
Electrons,
protons,
protons, and neutrons.
very. Okay. So electrons, protons, and neutrons are the three subatomic particles of an atom. Since atom is the fundamental unit of matter, all the properties of matters obviously will be because of atom. Yes or no? Because it is the fundamental unit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how is it that atoms' properties are affecting the properties of matter that we need to understand? And clearly for that we need to understand the structure of an atom. What is it? The structure of an atom.
The structure of
See,
it.
when atom has got these three particles, the subatomic particles, clearly they will be having some properties of their own. The electrons, the protons, and the neutrons will be having some properties of their own. Yes or no?
Yes.
So because of these properties, the properties of the atom will be there, right? If I say I made some dish which has onions and the chilies and all of that, the taste will be because of the chilies and the onions and all of that, right? In the
Yes.
similar manner, the properties of the atom will be because of the properties of the electrons, neutrons, and the protons. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Not a very
Yes.
confident yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now what happens? See, there are these three subatomic particles. Electron beta is negatively charged. It's a negatively charged species. Okay. Proton is a
Positive.
positively charged species. Neutron is
Neutral.
neutral. Okay. Now, since electron is a negatively charged species, proton is a positively charged one, there's very special relationship between these two. The charge of electron and the charge of proton, the charge of electron and the charge of proton, they are opposite but equal.
Oh,
That means opposite but equal means if I say, let's assume the charge on one electron is minus x, okay, is minus x. Let's assume, okay. The charge on that one proton will be what? If it's opposite, clearly it will be plus. Yes.
it's plus
Equal,
X.
the value will remain same. Is it understood?
Yes.
So let's say I have 10 electrons. Let's say I have 10
10
electrons.
electrons.
Don't you think the overall charge because of those 10 electrons will be minus 10x? Yes or no?
Yes.
And let's say if I have 10 protons, let's assume, okay? If
10
I have
protons.
10 protons, don't you think it will be overall charge will be plus 10x?
10x. Yes.
Understood this point? Okay.
Yes.
Now see what happens. If these are the three subatomic particles, we need to understand how are they arranged in an atom. Okay. See, an atom has a center at the there's a center of the atom which is called as the nucleus of an atom. What is it?
Nucleus.
Okay, the nucleus of an atom. Now the new out of those three subatomic particles, Fatima, electrons, protons, and neutrons, the protons and the neutrons are here. Okay, the protons and the neutrons are here. Is it clear? We had three subatomic particles, electrons, protons, and neutrons. Protons and
Yes.
neutrons are here. What is left? What is left?
And
Electrons,
electrons.
right? So we need to have something else in the atom which can adjust the electrons in it, right?
Yes.
See, the electrons are there in the shells or the orbits which are actually revolving around the nucleus of the atom. Okay, bache?
Okay.
Which are revolving around the nucleus of the atom. These shells, beta, these have electrons on them. Now clearly we have somewhat understood the structure of an atom. We know
Yes.
where are protons, we know where are
Yes.
neutrons, we know where are electrons.
Electrons.
Now we need to understand further. See, yes. This is the center of the nucleus, okay, which is this is the center of the atom, which is nucleus, right?
Nucleus.
These are the orbits or the shells of the atom. Fine. See, now, beta neutrons and protons are where in the
Inside the nucleus.
very good inside the nucleus. But if I just ask you one question, that neutron was neutral, yes or no?
Yes.
Proton was positively charged.
Yes.
Can you tell me the charge of the nucleus will be what? Overall charge. Overall means as a combination of the particles within it.
It's
Don't you think? Very good. It's positive because of the presence of the
a proton.
very good. The nucleus of the atom is positively charged because of the presence of proton.
Proton.
Understood? Now,
Yes.
let's say there are 100 protons. Let's assume, okay, there are 100 protons. There are, let's assume 50 neutrons. Okay, we don't know the number. We are just assuming. Any number of neutrons, any number of protons, whatever is it, total of neutrons and total of protons will always be in that one nucleus of the atom. Okay.
Okay.
That's just like if we have a joint family, if we have a big family, let's say we are one person living in the room. Okay. We will live in that room. Let's say even if there are 10 people, all of them will live in that room only. Is it clear? That is what a nucleus is.
Okay.
Okay. Nucleus has neutrons and protons. Therefore, neutrons and protons are overall called as nucleons. What is it called as, beta?
Nucleon.
Nucleons. Why nucleons? Because they are residing in the nucleus. Okay. Is that understood?
Okay. Yes.
No. So someone living in nucleus becomes nucleons. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. If I live in Delhi, I become Delhi, right? Okay. That's the problem point. Fine.
Okay.
So nucleons. What are the nucleons? If I ask you what are the nucleons in an atom, can you tell me?
Nucleons, like the number or what?
Yeah. What is nucleons? What are the nucleons in an atom? They are the neutrons and the protons combined
Protons
together. Yes.
combined
So
together.
any number of nucleons overall, any number of, let's say total nucleons becomes 50. That will also be in the one nucleus. Let's say it's just two. Let's say we have one proton, one neutron. Okay. Then also they will be in the nucleus. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let's come on to the electrons bit. Okay.
Electron.
Electrons, they where do they reside in an atom? Do they reside on the orbits and the shells? Yes. See, there's a condition with it. In case of nucleus, there was no condition, right? Whatever the number of nucleons are there, they will be adjusted in the same nucleus. Electrons, the shells have a maximum capacity of the number of electrons that they can have. The shells have a maximum capacity of the number of electrons that they can have. Example, if we are going on a bicycle, okay? If we are going on a bicycle, at max, how many people can sit on it? I think you will say
Two.
two, right? So we cannot adjust any more person. While if we are going on a bus or a truck or whatever is it, we can adjust more people. Are you getting?
Yes.
So in case of vehicles, we have a maximum capacity, the number of people who can be adjusted on that vehicle. Okay. In the similar manner, the shells or the orbits of the atom which have electrons on them, okay, which have electrons on them, have a maximum number of electrons that they can have. Okay, bache?
Okay.
That means the first shell, bache, I'm just briefing you. This is not in very detail. I'm just giving you an idea of it. Okay. The first shell, beta, the first shell will have a maximum of just two electrons. That's it. Just two electrons. If there are three electrons, the shell is not bothered about it. It will adjust the two that it can have. It's not bothered about the third electron. Is it clear?
Okay.
The second shell, bache, can have a maximum of 8 electrons. How many? 8 electrons.
8.
The third shell can also have a maximum of 8 electrons. We will discuss that. Okay. Let's say an atom has 4 electrons. Let's say an atom has 4 electrons.
4.
What will happen? 2 electrons will be adjusted in the first shell.
And the 2 will be in the second.
Very good. Very good. Is it understood, Fatima?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So that is what we have about the arrangement of the subatomic particles in an atom. Okay, that is what the question asked. Explain the structure of an atom. This is the structure of an atom, and describe the subatomic particles of the atom. So these are the three subatomic particles, and we have learned about their positions in the atom. Any confusion in it, Fatima, please go through it for a minute, and then we will start with the next point.
Okay. Okay, done.
Done? I hope no
Yes.
problem with that.
Yes.
See, this is the most important part of chemistry. If you have understood this well, chemistry becomes easy. Fine. So now, what happens? Now, I just now told you whatever number of nucleons we have, they will be in the nucleus. Whatever number of electrons we have, they will be adjusted according to the number in the shells, right?
Okay.
How do I know that what atom has how many number of electrons, protons, and neutrons? Don't you think that is the question? How do I get to know that how many? Let's say you are an atom. Let's say I am an atom. Okay. How do I know that how many electrons, protons, and neutrons do you have? And how do I know that how many electrons, protons, and neutrons do I have? Yes, we should know the numbers. For that, beta, please. First of all, please understand an atom initially means starting, is overall neutral. Okay, is overall
Neutral.
neutral. Why am I saying overall neutral? See, an atom has electrons which are negatively charged. Yes, an atom has protons which are positively charged. Yes.
Positively.
So let's say beta, this is an atom. It has protons. It has electrons. Both of them have some charges, positive and negative. But overall, you understand, as a sum of all, okay, it
Yes.
becomes neutral. It becomes,
Neutral.
and we will understand how. See, I hope you are able to recall that I just now told you that electrons and protons, they are oppositely but equally charged. Yes, minus
Yes.
x and plus x. So let's say an atom has 10 protons. We will understand why does an atom has 10 protons. Let's say an atom has 10 protons. So because the charge because of these 10 protons, don't you think will become plus 10x? Yes.
Plus 10x.
Yeah. Let's assume the charge on one proton is plus x.
Okay.
Okay. Let's assume. Okay.
Okay.
Now the charge on the atom becomes plus 10x. How do I neutralize this plus 10x? Clearly, I will want to have 10 electrons on which one electron has a charge of minus x. So if I have 10 electrons, beta, if I have 10 electrons, just look here, just a second. If I have 10 electrons, don't you think it will have a charge of minus 10x? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So minus 10x. Don't you think overall plus minus 10x will be neutral, beta?
Yes, it will be.
Are you able to understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, overall, I'm not saying that it has no charge. It has charges. It has positive charges because of protons. It has negative charges because of electrons. But overall, what's the result? It's neutral.
Neutral.
Okay. And why is it neutral? Clearly, an atom is neutral when it has equal number of electrons and protons in it. Are you able to understand that?
Yes.
Fine. But how do I calculate that number? See, okay, beta, please pay attention. An atom, okay, has something called as atomic number. What is it, beta?
Atomic number.
It is represented by capital Z. Okay, represented by capital Z.
Capital Z.
This atomic number tells the number of protons for an atom. Okay. Let's say,
Oh,
beta, you are an atom. Okay. We just now took this example. You are an atom. Okay. Uh, you are an atom, and let's say your atomic number. That means your Z is equal to 20. Let's assume. Okay. It's equal to 20. That means you as an atom have 20 protons in you. Clear?
okay.
Okay. You as an atom has 20 protons in you.
Protons.
Fine. And but a very important point here is that there are many types of atoms in the world. Okay. How do I know whether two atoms are similar or not? How do I know whether two atoms are similar or they are different? If their atomic number is same, I repeat, if the atomic number of two atoms is same, that means they are same atoms. In simple words, atomic number is like an identity card of an atom. Is it clear?
Yes.
100%? Any problem in here?
No.
No. Now, so atomic number tells you the number of protons in an atom. But we just now understood that an atom is neutral. That means if you have 20 protons, don't you think an atom should also have 20 electrons to neutralize it?
Yes. It
Therefore,
has.
in an atom, number of protons is equal to Z. Okay, that is atomic number. And number of electrons is also equal to Z. Is it clear? In simple words, I can say Z equal to number of protons, which is further equal to number of electrons.
Electrons.
And every atom has their own atomic number. That's it. They are the identity card. You have, let's say, 20. I have, let's say, 16. So I am a different atom. You are a different atom. But if I say you have 20 as the atomic number and I